Hello everyone and welcome back to another math practice video. Today we'll be practicing an example of an activity that you can do in your classroom centered around the operation of addition. This would work great for first grade students. The lesson that I'm doing today, it's called Ladybug Addition. And the materials that a teacher will need for this activity are some counters. I have some laid out on the table for us here. This ladybug, if you look down below this video, you'll find a document that has the lesson plan on creating this setup for students so that it can actually be a little art lesson mixed in with our math lesson. So students will create this ladybug, and the premise of the game is that they'll take these counters and on each wing they'll add some counters and then they'll add them up and record it on a sheet. So the teacher will provide a sheet of paper, or even better, students can use their math notebook and record the different equations that they make. So an example would be student takes a few counters and puts them on one wing. The teacher can be doing an explicit instruction during this, telling them to add like 3 counters on one side, or the students can just kind of place how many counters they want on one wing and however many other they want on the other wing. So for this one, I'll put 3 counters on one wing and 2 on the other. And then with this, students will know that they'll count up 1, 2, 3 counters, and they'll record this over on their sheet of paper. So I had 3, I recorded 3. Over on this wing, I have 1, 2. And so I'll record 2. And together, they can count up how many counters in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll record 5 over here, and this will represent kind of the part-whole strategy for addition. Students can see and count the manipulatives that the teacher is giving out, so it's a great way to kind of correspond the number with the manipulatives. And then so students can continue this. They can do another equation. We could switch it up and add 4 on this wing and maybe 3 on this wing. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. Record 4. On this wing we have 1, 2, 3. Record 3. And all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And students can record this. And what I love about this game is that it can even be moved to subtraction facts. You could have 4 minus 3 and have students record that if they move on from addition. And if students take paper counters and glue it on, then it can kind of be a little art activity that they can take home, or they can even take home this blank sheet and work on it with their parents. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and for all the teachers watching, I hope that you incorporate Ladybug Addition into your classroom.